Hey guys, Oliver at MarineMax Sail and Ski Center here to talk to you guys about some fresh new demos that just came in the back door. Ronix has two exciting new boards. One of them is going to be the Flyweight Skimmer, which is going to be a super thin new profile, super sharp edges, really lightweight, sick new aesthetics on the resin and the pads. Just an exciting new skimmer for those of you guys that like the skim category. They also have a brand new board called the Backtail Thruster, which is going to be more of a surf style board. Sharp rails again, a lot of surface area throughout. Great board to boost air off the top of the wake, and also just a lot of push out of a shape like this. We've got a lot of new boards on their way, so a lot of exciting stuff. So come on in and try out some boards.